she's teaching him how to use his tongue. Can you see? Isn't it cute? We are now traveling the longest river in the world. It's at least 4,000 kilometers long, but don't worry, I know a shortcut. The group will be there very soon. It's holding our gun. Angry at them, so here they are. Okay, so we can't save them now, because now we're in a bit of a hurry, yes. So just ask them to hang on. If we may save them next time, we will have to leave them now. You know, we're not something youngsters are over us, so no worries. And we may see that the elephant god in this temple, and those pink cobras are protecting the elephant god. And they're the most dangerous and poisonous snake in the world, and there is another one. So let's leave this temple quickly. This temple is too dangerous. Okay, as we're leaving the temple, we will see there are a lot of hungry crocodiles waiting for us. So please keep your arm or elbow inside the boat, or they may treat this as dinner and bite on it. Turn off the umbrella, please turn off the umbrella. Okay, we're entered the forbidden corner of God here. We're not gonna fire water leaf, and I'm gonna fire this area now. No, okay, we'll see those fire. So now, excuse us, if water now.